I'm going to take you to a very famous satay place.
Yep.
It's Jalan Ondomohen, which is where the name of the street is. And this one's been around for about 45 years.
Yes.
It's very, very famous.
Yeah.
And the signature thing is here, satay that has been rolled in coconut.
Yeah.
And then it's with other spices, turmeric, shallot, garlic, coriander.
Okay.
And then basically it's chilled and then it's grilled on the coconut husks here.
And is that Surabaya's, I guess, rendition of this recipe?
It is. I mean, this is only comes from Surabaya.
Okay.
And then they serve it with serendeng, which is basically grated coconut here, and then lontong. So basically, Ibu, ini ada daging, ayam ya. Harganya berapa?
Ayam 20, yang campur
20,
23.
and then 33.
So 20,000 Indonesian rupee, which is $2 Australian.
Super cheap.
Yeah.
And you know, you can see it's everyone is here.
Yeah.
And again, you know, the ladies here, they
Yeah.
don't want to give the recipes. They don't tell you the recipes.
Yeah, okay, it's their
all a
secret.
hidden secret. So let's take a walk and
Fantastic.
have a taste.
All right, I'm going to try it without the sauce. Oh, yeah.
Good.
The coconut gives it a bit of a more texture on your tongue. Now, let me try this sauce. So this is just a peanut sauce again?
Peanut sauce.
All right, but I'm sure they've done something a bit...
And you have to be very careful with it because your coconut goes off very, very quickly. So that's why you have to keep it chilled.
Often in Bali, the peanut sauce is too
sweet.
too peanutty.
You think the peanut sauce in Bali is quite strong?
I just find it a bit too nutty, you know? I mean, I'm used to eating 1 or 2 nuts. I'm not going to eat a whole packet by myself. This is a bit more tangy. And really, with the coconut, it kind of just mellows everything out. This has got to be the best satay I've had in 12 years traveling in Indonesia. Can we get some more?
Sure. So we haven't had a dessert yet, and it's a very good dessert, which is Bubur Madura. Bubur, can I get satu porsi?
And what have we got here? Is that yogurt?
No, that is thick coconut thickened with rice flour.
Yes.
Then you have white sticky rice that's basically been
So it's that gruel again?
gruel again, and then basically here you have rice flour rolled into little balls and then blanched and then cooked in palm sugar. Terima kasih. So here's your homemade spoon, and again, you know, this is ada satu lagi sendok.
I use my own spoon.
There you go. You're meant to be eco-friendly. Very good.
Okay, so this is that rice. It's got, whereas the Thai version has got the same flavour all the way through, this has got many different...
Complex and textures too.
Yeah.
Indian food is an amalgamation of cultures that have been linked together over time through religion, history, war.
Especially here in Surabaya because it's a port.
Exactly.
It was the biggest port in Indonesia until Jakarta became prominent.
Yeah.
So this is where all the traders came. This is where the spice came. This is where the pirates came. This is where the Chinese came during their great immigration period.
So talking about pioneers and cultures, let's go and check out the market. That's where we always find the best culture.
Okay, let's do it.